my channel. I'm Fabiola. If you don't know me, I create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos. And today I am so excited because I am doing a collaboration with my bestie who's right here, Joey.
Hi everyone!
I'm so excited. So she has a YouTube channel. Her channel is JJ's Pink Secrets, and she also does all kinds of pink and girly videos and hauls. So you need to check it out. Subscribe to her. I'll leave you her link down below. But she's also going to be doing a video just like this showing her top 8 beauty favorites. So I'll link it below so you guys can check it out and watch it right after mine. But I'm so excited, Joey, that we're doing this collaboration.
I know, finally, bestie. Oh my goodness, we finally were able to put something together for everyone.
Yes, so I'm sure you can have like a lot of like cute items to share with us too, like beauty items, and I can't wait to see your top 8. I wonder if we're gonna have any similar products.
I know, right?
Yeah, because we didn't even actually like, I don't know what your top 8 products are, so.
Alright, sounds good. Let's do this.
Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to show you my first top beauty product. This one here is my favorite. It's the Coco Scrub. It's coconut oil and it's from Victoria's Secret. I love this thing so much. I think I've purchased like 5 of these already. But absolutely love this. Have you tried this one before, Joey? The Coco Scrub?
Yes, I have. Actually, you're the one that turned me onto that, and ladies, I love it. Let me tell you, it's a life-changing on your skin.
This is like amazing, right? Like, I love it.
Yes.
And it smells so delicious. It smells just like coconut. But I have really, really dry skin, and I think you told me you have dry skin too, right?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely, yes.
So this here just leaves your skin super hydrated, and absolutely love this. So my next beauty product, I have them in here, is actually a face moisturizer, and I've had this for a while. I love this so much. It's the Tatcha Water Cream. I don't know, have you tried this one before, Joey?
Actually, I haven't. No, and mine's different. So this is going to be interesting.
Oh, but I love this. As you can see, it's like totally empty. I have to actually get a new one because it's running out. But I love this thing so much. Like I said, I do have really dry skin. And when I put this on my face, it just kind of moisturizes it. But it doesn't feel like super creamy and oily, which I love about it. I think that's why it's called the water cream, because it kind of just dissolves on your skin. But Joey, you need to try this. I think you would love this, especially because you have really dry skin.
I will, bestie, definitely.
So that's my other one. And then the next thing that I have is also a skincare product. This one here is from the brand Glow Recipe. It's the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, and it smells just like watermelon, but it really hydrates your skin and it leaves you this really nice glow. Have you tried this one, Joey, the Glow Recipe?
No, I haven't, but again, you have told me about it. You have mentioned it to me, and I just haven't got a chance to get my hands on it, but that'll be my next item that I would love to purchase.
Yeah, I know we were talking about this at some point, right?
Yes,
I think I messaged you. Yeah, this one. You have to try this. You will really like this one. And they have like little trial sizes too, so if you don't want to buy like the full size, you can get like a smaller kit to try it. Alright, so my next product is actually something that I got because of my bestie. You're the one that made me buy this. So Joey made me buy this. This is my Coco Chanel Mademoiselle perfume. And I got it because of Joey. She told me that I had to have this perfume. So I am so glad I did because it smells incredible. It's my favorite now, and I try to use it very little because I don't want it to go bad, like to finish so quickly. But I love this. Girl, thank you for mentioning this perfume. It's my favorite.
I have a question. Do you get a lot of compliments when you walk by somebody and they ask you, what are you wearing?
Oh my gosh, I do, like all the time, especially at work. Whenever I wear, they're like, what are you wearing? My mom mentioned it. Like a lot of people, you can definitely tell that it turns heads. So I'm so glad I got this. And my next product is actually a foundation, and this foundation I really have been loving. It's the Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. This foundation is such a good foundation for dry skin. It's really nice, full coverage. My only complaint about this one is that it does have like color transfer, so if you're wearing a mask, It will transfer a little bit, but I really love it for my skin, and I'm really happy that I tried this. What is your current favorite foundation, Joey?
I'm still stuck on my MAC. Love with the foundation from MAC, and it just makes my face look really flawless, and I just love it. So I guess I'm just, yeah, once I'm hooked on something, it's like it's hard for me because I have so sensitive skin. And I'm afraid of the whole breakout, situation. So when it comes to like putting foundation, yeah, your sis will definitely just stay to my just oldie but goodie.
You'll have to send me the exact one you're using, because I've heard really good things about the MAC one. So I'll definitely love to try that, especially if it's full coverage. So make sure you send me the link.
Yes, I will, definitely.
Okay, so my next beauty product is actually an eyeliner, and this eyeliner, actually my bestie sent it to me. You sent me this one. The Too Faced, the Killer. Yes, girl, I'm hooked on this. I love the consistency. It doesn't smudge, and I also love the color. So I've always been like a black eyeliner girl. Like I've always used black eyeliner, and I never thought I would use a different color, but I'm loving this one because it's in this like really kind of, it's like a dark gray, right? Like a dark gray. And it looks so pretty. So I'm so glad that I got this. It's like one of my favorites right now. So thank you so much, bestie, for getting me hooked on this one.
That's what besties are for, right?
I know. It's like we copy each other. We share each other's secrets.
Yes.
Alright, so my next beauty product is also from Selena Gomez. And this one is the Rare Beauty. It's a cream blush. First of all, I got it because of the packaging, of course. It's cute. It's like the blush pink color that I like. But I really love this blush right here. It's so pigmented and it's so creamy as well. I don't know if you can see it in camera. It's such a pretty blush. Girl, you need to try these too. They're so beautiful. Okay. And it looks so beautiful in the vanity too. Look how cute that is.
That's adorable. Yes, the packaging is very cute.
Okay, and my last beauty product I use all the time. I've actually repurchased this lipstick twice already. It's the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick, and it's in the color Trophy Wife. I am a trophy wife, by the way. But we both are, right?
Yes.
Our guys are very lucky to have us. What would they do without us?
Right?
Probably have a lot of money in their banks. So this lipstick here has been my favorite for a very long time. I love the color. It's actually the shade that I'm wearing right now, but I do wear this quite a bit. It's so pigmented and it lasts a very long time, especially now with the mask. It doesn't have any color transfer. This is the color right here, but isn't it so pretty? Look at the color on this one.
Yes, it is. I like it a lot.
It's so pretty.
It looks really good on your skin.
Yeah, because I have like the tan skin, and I think like darker shades definitely look better. So I try to stick to like darker shades instead of like nude colors. Right. So yeah, those were my 8 top favorite beauty products. I really hope you loved today's video, and make sure to check out my bestie's channel because you are gonna love her channel and all her videos that she uploads. Joey, I'm so excited that we got to do this video together.
I know, finally. We got to do this more often. I hope you girls enjoyed our video.
Thank you so much all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. And make sure to head down over to watch Joey's video to see what her top 8 beauty products are. Bye.
Bye.